Hello friends, it's me Afzal Ahmed. On behalf of ZIIEI Society, I welcome you all. In this video, we are going to see an interesting and engaging ZIIEI investment idea given by Uttarkhand state teachers, idea named Community Assembly from Community Participation, compiled by ZIIEI Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. For smooth flow of school, surely the school is in need of community support. To get community support, teacher use this method, Community Assembly. Teacher call important members of community to sort out and to assist them in respecting and resolving the basic problem in the school. On meeting, teacher explain all the activities organized in the school, and also teacher explain the methodology and what are the achievements did by the students, even the old students. The position also teacher said. Teacher also explain how through ZIIEI investment, teachers are helping students to uplift the students' education. Through this method, community members come to know about the effort of the teachers and schools, how far they are taking steps to uplift the students. Now, teacher tells the problem and difficulties which are they facing in the school. First thing is, they talk about the enrollment, absenteeism rate, poor drinking water inside the school, and few infra also. They ask community support. By listening this, maximum community members, they give their support. They gave some monetary benefit, few of them gave sponsor some things, and few of them as a labor, they do the work inside the campus, like cleaning the buses, like that. Through this method, all the problems are sorted out by the community members. You can use this method to resolve your school problems. Kindly adapt this method. You will see tremendous change in your school activity. To watch such an interesting video, kindly subscribe our ZIIEI YouTube channel. If you are watching this video on Facebook, like this video, comment this video, share this video with your friends. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.